Welcome to 3D Web Studio. In this video, we'll be working from simple sketches to complex 3D features. I'll guide you step by step through the entire modeling process. Let's get started with our first part.
First, we begin by selecting the front plane to create a new sketch. Now, using the Circle tool, we draw a circle from the origin point. Next, we apply a dimensional constraint to the circle, setting the diameter to 4.4 millimeters. Once the circle is fully constrained, we exit the sketch. We then select the Pad tool to extrude the sketch. Set the pad length to 16 millimeters, as shown in the figure. After the pad is created, we select both circular end edges to apply a chamfer. Now change the chamfer angle to 30 degrees, giving the ends a smooth taper. Next, we select the Hole tool and click on the front face of the pad to place the hole. Make sure to use the positioning option to properly constrain the hole to the center of the face, just like demonstrated in the video. Set the hole diameter to 2.9 millimeters, and for the hole depth type, choose Up to Next to ensure it passes through. Now, once again, select the front plane to create a second sketch. This time, use the Line tool to draw a profile on the side of the cylinder, as demonstrated in the video. Make sure the height of the vertical line is 1 millimeter. Trim or delete any excess lines using the Trim tool or the Remove tool to clean up the sketch. Exit the sketch. Now select the Pocket tool to remove material from the side, forming the cutout feature. And with that, our model is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment if you have any questions or ideas for future designs. See you in the next one.